Good morning, class. Again, I'm teacher Rogelio, and welcome to another video lesson. Our lesson for today is about theorems related to secant and tangent of a circle. Let's start. Before we proceed with the discussion, here's the objectives. First, determine the relation among arcs and exterior angle of a circle. Second, find the measure of the arcs and exterior angle of a circle. So let's begin by identifying what is an exterior angle. Exterior angle is formed by a two secants, a secant and a tangent, or a two tangents drawn from a point outside the circle. And the vertex lies outside the circle, so that's why it is called exterior angle of a circle. So based from the figure, the first figure shows two seconds, the second figure shows secant and tangent, and the third figure shows two tangents. So all of the figures shows exterior angle, which is the vertex is outside the circle. So let's now go with the exterior angle theorem. If two secants, a secant and a tangent, or two tangents intersect in the exterior of a circle, then the measure of the angle formed is 1/2 the positive difference of the measures of the intercepted arcs. So based from the theorem, I do have a figure below. The first figure shows two seconds, second figure shows two tangents, and the third figure shows a secant and a tangent. The angle formed is angle L, and based from the theorem, the measure of angle L is equal to the 1/2 of the difference of the intercepted arcs. We do have arc J and arc K, and we can easily identify that arc K is bigger than arc J, so the formula will be measure of angle L is equal to 1/2 open parenthesis K or arc K minus arc J. So let's try to find the value of the exterior angle formed by two seconds. So based from the figure, given that arc BC is equal to 27 degrees, arc DE measures 125 degrees, and we need to find the value of angle DAE, which is the exterior angle. So based from the exterior angle theorem, so angle DAE is equal to 1/2 of arc DE minus arc BC. Let's now substitute the value from the given. So arc DAE is equal to 1/2 of 125 degrees minus 27 degrees. The difference of 125 degrees and 27 degrees, that will be 98 degrees. So that angle DAE is equal to 1/2 of 98 degrees, and we all know that 49 degrees is 1/2 of 98 degrees. So the final answer is angle DAE is equal to 49 degrees. Let's now try to find the value or the measure of the exterior angle that is formed by a secant and a tangent. So the givens are arc ED, that is equal to 200 degrees, arc EA, that is equal to 40 degrees. We need to find the value of arc AD, which is the intercepted arc. So 200 degrees plus 40 degrees, that is 240 degrees. We all know that the measure of a circle is equal to 360 degrees. So 360 degrees minus 240 degrees, the measure of arc AD is equal to 120 degrees. So we now need to find the measure of angle EBD. So the formula or the solution will be angle EBD is equal to 1/2 of arc ED minus arc AD. So we just need to substitute the value. Angle EBD is equal to 1/2 of 200 degrees minus 120 degrees. 200 degrees minus 120 degrees, the difference is 80 degrees. So that angle EBD is equal to 1/2 of 80 degrees. And 1/2 of 80 degrees, that is 40 degrees. So angle EBD is equal to 40 degrees. We're able to find the measure of the exterior angle. So let's now try the last part, which is let's try to find the measure of the exterior angle formed by two tangents. So from the figure, the given is arc ABE, which is the major arc, measures 265 degrees. That's one of the intercepted arc. And we need to find the minor arc, which is arc AE. So we all know that circle is equal to 360 degrees. So we need to minus 360 degrees minus 265 degrees. And the value of arc AA is equal to 95 degrees. Since we have now the two intercepted arcs, we can now identify the value of angle ADE. So that will be angle ADE is equal to 1/2 of arc ABE minus arc AE. So we need now to substitute the value. Angle ADE is equal to 1/2 of 265 degrees minus 95 degrees. So 265 minus 95, that will be 170 degrees. So that angle ADE is equal to 1/2 of 170 degrees. So the final answer will be angle ADE is equal to 85 degrees. So all of us know now how to calculate the measure of the exterior angle. I hope you learn and enjoy. That's all for today. Goodbye.
Well, maybe I came on too strong.